Whom did Lord Rama kill? A. Meghnath, B. Ravan, C. Kumbhkarn. Correct answer is B. Ravan. How many bones are there in the human foot? A. 26, B. 30, C. 22. Correct answer is A. 26. Which country is the largest producer of cotton? A. India, B. China, C. USA. Correct answer is A. India. What is the national bird of Bhutan? A. Raven, B. Monal, C. Partridge. Correct answer is A. Raven. In which year was the PIN code system introduced? A. 1972, B. 1975, C. 1970. Correct answer is A. 1972. In which country is the death penalty given for taking dowry? A. China, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Bangladesh. Correct answer is C. Bangladesh. In which country is potato farming done? A. China, B. Pakistan, C. Egypt. Correct answer is A. China. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Maldives, B. Vatican City, C. Monaco. Correct answer is B. Vatican City. Which city is known as the city of temples and ghats? A. Ujjain, B. Varanasi, C. Haridwar. Correct answer is B. Varanasi. Which state produces the most gold in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Karnataka. Which Indian state is known as the land of temples? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. What is the height of the Taj Mahal? A. 73 meters, B. 57 meters, C. 89 meters. Correct answer is A. 73 meters. Which is the fastest running train? A. Vande Bharat Express, B. Bullet train, C. Hayabusa. Correct answer is C. Hayabusa. Who gets the highest salary? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Governor. Correct answer is B. President. Which city is known as the Electronic City? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Pune. Correct answer is B. Bengaluru. From which animal's milk curd cannot be made? A. Camel, B. Cow, C. Buffalo. Correct answer is A. Camel. Where is salt produced the most in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Gujarat. After how many years are the Olympic Games held? A. 3 years, B. 5 years, C. 4 years. Correct answer is C. 4 years. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Earth, B. Venus, C. Mercury. Correct answer is C. Mercury. Which is the largest breed of chicken? A. Red Jungle Fowl, B. Brahma chicken, C. Rhode Island Red. Correct answer is B. Brahma chicken.